Good morning, everyone. This is meteorologist Julia Copert with News 5. We are tracking a risk on Tuesday across the area that could pose a potentially organized severe weather threat. For now, the risk is in the Day 6 outlook, so we shouldn't be crying wolf on this yet, but trends look concerning, Brian.
Absolutely. This is definitely something to watch, as a very steep upper level low will steer to the north and almost park over the central plains. This will allow for modest mid level wind shear that could very well paint a dangerous picture of supercells across portions of central Oklahoma.
I personally think because of the amount of lift along the said dry line, it will create a more linear threat that could potentially be long tracked.
I understand where you're coming from, and as we've said, it is so hard to see where things will actually go from here: storm type, speed, tornado potential, and more. But it just doesn't look good. We just have so much supercell composite. Even if there was a line, there would be crazy renegade cells in front that could be violent.
I understand, but almost all models show morning convection. And if that occurs, what then, man?
All right. Well, as we've heard, a risk is there no matter what really does happen, and we will have to watch it.
Man, I gotta tell you, Tuesday is looking nasty, man. Day after Labor Day, everyone will be traveling. I hope this doesn't live up to expectations. Speaking of which, are we still thinking a day 3 moderate risk?
Yep, we're going to do 60% total severe probabilities and mention long track tornadoes in the discussion. Cape appears higher, and the atmosphere will unstabilize after the morning convection, anyways. I don't see any fail modes.
You're exactly right. We will prepare the new graphics for the 00Z. We prepare to have a public discussion on our YouTube channel to help inform the public, but we aren't getting much outreach.
You're listening to KJY 94, Chickasha, operating at frequency of 162.450 MHz. Today, clear, high of 84 degrees, Thursday, partly cloudy, 89 degrees, 50% chance of afternoon thunderstorms. Friday, 91 degrees with rising temperatures through Labor Day weekend. Looking forwards, a potentially significant severe weather threat exists for Tuesday. Strong tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds are all possible. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further information regarding this event.
Did I just hear someone talking about a tornado outbreak?
Come on, dude. You can't believe everything these fear-mongering weather dudes say.
You're right. Speaking of Labor Day weekend, I'm gonna hit the pool, go fishing, kayaking, everything. I'm not gonna let them get to me.
Yes, that's the spirit. Want to hit the lake with me on Tuesday, too?
I would love to.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for choosing News 5 this morning. Earlier, a burglary in the Applewood neighborhood sent 24-year-old Haley Syper into custody. She was charged with felony burglary and battery on a police officer. Next up, a significant severe threat sparks concerns across Oklahoma. Meteorologists Julia and Nate, what are we working with here on Tuesday?
I think one thing we have to consider is just the general threat. It is very high for a day 3 outlook, right? I've only seen this a couple times in my career, and this is unfortunately one of those. Long track tornadoes will be spawned from long tracked supercells that will have the potential for large hail and some damaging winds. But I don't think damaging winds in the main story.
I absolutely believe exactly what he said, and we've heard a lot of controversy, and we want to urge serious caution with this. Day after Labor Day, everyone's been renting out a cabin, a boat. They're either packing up, heading home, or they are home and not inherently paying attention to vital sources, and I think it could end deadly.
That said, let's look at future radar here. We can see for most of the day, guys, it's clear as can be. Sun's out, I'm sure it will be a wonderful day for fishing or boating, but take it your own risk. By the time we get to around 2 p.m., we can see a very small hint of convection begin south of Norman, and by 4 p.m., it has progressed into widespread supercells that eventually merge together into the night, which could cause serious flooding.
Hello. No, ma'am, we are not giving away free weather radios. Sorry. You have a good one. Geez. Dude, that's the 20th caller today. People are unprepared. I'm worried about this.
SBC says a PDS tornado watch will be issued in the next few minutes.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Adair, Alfalfa, Atoka, Beaver, Beckham, Blaine, Bryan, Caddo, Canadian, Carter, Cherokee, Choctaw, Cimarron, Cleveland, Cole, Comanche, Cotton, Craig, Creek, Custer, Delaware, Dewey, Ellis, Garfield, Garvin, Grady, Grant, Greer, Harmon, Harper, Haskell, Hughes, Jackson, Jefferson, Johnston, Kay, Kingfisher, Kiowa, Latimer, LaFleur, Lincoln, Logan, Love, Major, Marshall, Mays, McLean, McCurtain, McIntosh, Murray, Muskogee, Noble, Nevada, Okfuskee, Oklahoma, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee counties until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of tornadoes in and close to the watch area. Maintain situational awareness and listen for later statements or possible warnings.
Hello?
Hey, bro, it's me, Tyler. Want to hit the lake, dude?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 10:45 a.m. At 10:44 p.m. CDT, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Norman, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: trained weather spotters and radar confirmation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely. Complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Slaughterville, Noble, Goldsby, South Oklahoma City, Eastern Mustang, Valley Brook, Lake Thunderbird, and Tinker Air Force Base. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, If you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter.
Huh. Let me check radar scope. Oh boy.
Bro, help me, I'm stuck on the lake and there's a tornado coming. You need to drive here and get me dude.
Dude, I told you not to go.
You guys have to be getting to your safe spot now. This is a large and extremely dangerous tornado on the ground.
Absolutely. And to track this, this is going to hit Norman, University of Oklahoma, in about 10 minutes stat. We need you in the middle on your house or in a basement. Now.
I will be so shocked if a tornado emergency is not issued for Norman. We need you in your safe place. I cannot express it enough.
Yeah, so this is going to be in Norman in about 5 to 6 minutes, which is a huge problem because these storms went up so fast. And as we can see on the traffic cameras, the roads are backed currently.
We're gonna have to get off air. Now.
I have to go help Tyler. He's gonna think I'm a bad friend. Oh my God. What have I done? Tyler, why didn't I just go with you? I'm such a bad person.
Tornado emergency for Norman. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern McLean County in
Oh
central
my
Oklahoma,
God.
western Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, eastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 11 a.m. At 10:45 a.m., Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 14 miles south of Hinton, or 37 miles southwest of Yukon. Radar showed this tornado moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Norman. Take cover now. At 10:51 a.m. significant ground scouring was reported by storm chasers located 5 miles southwest of Norman. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Kingfisher, northern Grady, northwestern Cleveland, extreme northwestern McLean, western Oklahoma, Canadian and eastern Caddo counties, including the following locations: Oklahoma City, Midwest City, Yukon, Del City, Mustang, Bethany, Bethany, El Reno, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Piedmont and Figure, Tuttle, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Tacoma Park, Union City, Minko, Oak and Forest Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Take cover immediately to protect your life. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If you are outside, get to shelter fast. Evacuate vehicles and mobile homes immediately. Go underground. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio WXK85 with a frequency 162.400 MHz at a transmitter located in Oklahoma City. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. What? Flash flooding confirmed by law enforcement. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flooding of urban areas, farmland, cropland and low water crossings is occurring or expected to begin shortly. Tonight, a low of 52. Some strong thunderstorms may remain, but significant flooding appears more likely. 3 to 9 of rain expected. You're listening to NOAA Weather.